The Surgeon General recently said that depression and isolation is the new pandemic. And while psychologists and psychiatrists and doctors are working on cures, let me just offer one as a voice coach. I say that the sounds we make as human beings, they showcase the emotions that we feel. And unfortunately, most of the world is using a particular type of melody that's making them sound sad, making them sound depressed. It's called descending melody. It's going from a high note to a lower note. It's my birthday. I'm feeling great. Instead of using descending melodies, start using ascending melodies, going from low to high. Now I love chocolate. I'm feeling so much better. Today's a great day. Forget about depression. Ascending melodies sound happy, not just to the people that hear you, but to you who hears yourself. When you hear yourself do ascending melodies, you feel better. It actually releases dopamine into the brain to make you happier. If we sound happy, we will feel happy. And that's the way a voice coach believes we could flip the narrative and go from depression to happiness.